So this is the HOP network. This is the website. You can always go here to this website and read a little bit more in depth to understand. So this is basically VPN, virtual private network, but it's different from the traditional VPN. On this VPN, it's decentralized. So it means there is not a company or an institution or a service from a private business. This is a network that everyone is together sharing their computers to make this VPN work. So you share your computer and for other people to use it, and whoever is sharing also gets in return some token mining, because it's a VPN based on the blockchain based traffic protocol. It uses the Ethereum network blockchain. So here you can download the pool and the HOP. So this is the pool, and this is like the miner. For Linux, for Mac, and for ARM is like Raspberry Pi or other smaller computers. This solves the problem like the traditional VPN, that you can change your IP and basically geographically located in some other country. So everything is encrypted like a traditional VPN. Besides being encrypted, so the payments are done with cryptocurrency. Right now it uses this HOP token, but in the future it will use more different kinds of tokens. So if you're paying with the crypto, with these crypto coins, then it's difficult to know who you are. So you don't have to sign up a form, you don't have to say your name, you don't have to pay with a credit card. So it's very good to very anonymous. So it's encrypted or connection, completely decentralized. So there is no companies, no nothing. Cannot be blocked because it's not a company, it's not a service. It's a group of people. Even if you take out 2 or 3, there's still a lot more. So the more people who join, the bigger this will be. Yeah, it's easy to pay, and you pay as you go. You don't like just pay for 1 month, for 6 months or a year. You pay if you use it 1 minute, you just pay that minute. If you pay 10 minutes or an hour, you just pay that. So it's everyone together. Anyone can be a part of it. That's it. So now I'm going to show you like the structure. This is more or less how the entire network looks like. So there are the pools, the big ones. This one's called Wonderland. This one's called Freeland. The miners are join the pools. Like here, this pool has 2 miners. This pool has 3 miners. Each miner has a name, which is actually, this has been updated. It used to be 2 letters, but now it has a full name. Because this is still in development phase, there will be a lot of nice stuff coming, and you are a part of it. So you can actually request the people developing, you can ask for more features, stuff like that. So you see here, for example, this miner is P2 miners here from Portugal. This will not be the same, because one miner can only be in one pool. So this is like 2 different computers, 2 different people. This one is on this one, and this one is on this pool. The pools take miners in. The user here with his cell phone, right now there's only app on cell phones, you can only use it on the cell phone. Like I said, this is still in development. It will come later. It will come more software to be used in a computer, in Windows and Linux and so on. So we have this user, we have this software that's called Pirate. It's an app which is right now in Google Play Store, and the other one from Macintosh Play Store or something, App Store. But it is available for iPhone and Android. So this little app that is here, you open it, and then you choose a pool, and then you choose the connection to the one type, the miner. Then when you click go, you will, for example, you want to, if you are like a journalist and you want to deliver some news, like a whistleblower, and you don't want to be recognized, what you do, you want to contact a news service, you open your app, choose a pool, you choose a connection, like a VPN. So what happens is you establish a straight peer-to-peer connection to the miner, and now your IP is this one. So you go to the internet and you go to this new service. So basically now instead of going to the internet and then to the new service, you go first here and then here. So your IP, you are effectively in Canada. These people here only see you here. So it's like a normal VPN, traditional VPN. Same way you could go and check Netflix. Just is a popular service nowadays, and people want to, if you want to access Canada content, you would connect this one, or you connect to Bulgaria or Mexico. So this is the software when you open the Pirate on Android. This is how it looks like when you open it first. This is how it looks like first here where it says Dragon, you have the pool, and here you will select the miner. So the first thing you do when you open the app, you go here where it says Flow Market. Then you choose the pool you want. Let's choose, if we choose Wonderland and we go back home. Now you say first you choose Wonderland, you buy credit from this pool, like 500 megabytes or something else, 8 gigabytes, 5 gigabytes, or a custom. So you buy credit from that pool called Wonderland. Then you go back here to the main. Here where it says Dragon, you click. You get a list of the pools you bought credit from. You click Wonderland. Here it is. And next you click down here to choose the miner, and that's the connection you will get. Here, this is actually an old screenshot, because now on the new version it will say here completely Portugal, Amsterdam, Iceland and India. So you can test individual speeds to see which one is faster for you. Choose one and then hit here connected. Once you can see here there's a little key, which means the connections are all encrypted, and this is the Pirate software, and that's it. Next is here. This is how we are going to configure the miner. Everyone needs to have a ready Linux machine like this one, which is, this one is, so this is the one that most people use. Ubuntu, you can use Debian, you can use CentOS. I think almost any Linux will work. We were gonna install, so this is more or less the environment we're going to be working. We're gonna be working more or less with this, and then we can see here. You can see it here. Okay.